gentlemen, welcome back to Sauder Motors. It's a loud truck. I'm Jay Lapp. Welcome. Today I have a Class C for you. This is a 2013 Jayco Redhawk 31XL. This is a great Class C. It's got everything you want. It's 33 feet long. It's got 2 slides. It's got a generator. It's got a bunk above. It's got bunks inside. Great layout. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna show you the outside. Then we're gonna show you the inside. So, let's get to it. All right, got the Jayco opened up here, 31XL. Just start you under the awning here. We've got good storage outside, storage. We have got power awning that we're under out here. Nice little outdoor space. The back slide there, and that has the master wardrobe and the bunks. We'll show you that in a bit. Got the front of the Class C here. It is on a Ford chassis, 450 chassis. Nice thing about this Class C is you've got a plastic cap here in the front. So this whole front is plastic, which is awesome because much less prone to leaking, a lot more durable, and just a good all-around option. As you can see, we got plenty of tread on these tires. Got a 4,000 watt generator sitting right here under the dinette. I'm sorry, the sofa slide. So there you go. And that will run off of your gas. This is a gas motorhome. Got your hookups over here. We do have one large bay in the back for storage, as you can see. And then in the back, you've got ladder access, you've got the backup camera. We do have the flush windows on this guy. Got the hitch. All ready to go there. And then the back of the RV with the slide out there. So that is the outside of our Redhawk. Let's open her up, take you inside, and show what we're working with. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are inside the Redhawk. And right inside the door, you have your cutoff switch at the bottom there, along with your power awning switch. Then you've got some light switches. Then you've got thermostat. And then up here to the left, you've got a nice little corkboard with some key hangers. And behind that, you have your slide controls. You have your inverter. You got your generator and your tank reader. Generator, I don't know if it's showing up or not, but it is at 112 hours. And then we've got the interior. Let's start up in the front. Got a nice large bunk space up here. As you can see, our mattress is not in complete place because that lets us get to the cockpit a little bit easier. Television to the right, that swivels out. Cockpit area. 2 very comfortable seats in the front. Got your climate control, your radio, auxiliary, plug, cup holders. Got our steering wheel control. We've got tow package on this guy. We've got our miles, which are 11,155.7. Integrated into this here mirror is a backup camera. I'm not going to get into the driver's seat and go in reverse, but you can trust me. I'm not lying. This is our sitting area. So we've got our jackknifing sofa right there, and across from that we've got our booth dinette. This will fold down into a bed. This will fold out into a bed. We've got some overhead storage on both sides. And then we've got our kitchen in the middle. We've got a 3-burner stove with an oven, with some side drawers and some below drawers. Good storage. Double sink, storage above. Microwave, storage beside. We've got our microwave. Fridge freezer combination from Dometic. It is a gas or an electric. That part's the refrigerator, that part is the freezer. And this takes us back into the bunk area. Got some nice drawers that'll pop out down there. Got 2 nice bunks sitting right there. In the hallway area, we've got some storage right next to the bathroom. In the bathroom, we've got a nice toilet that is angled for optimal leg space. Sink, mirror, nice storage. We've got a nice shower here with the skylight. We've got the power vent. And if you look right over here, we've got light switches and we've got tank heaters, which is fantastic to have when it is not warm outside. We're not freezing up. Got your privacy here is the first side, other privacy on the other side of the bunks there, so you can shut off the master bedroom, which is this queen bed, overhead storage, and this fantastic large wardrobe space. Because we're on a slide here, and this slide goes the whole way from the bunks all the way to the back here, nice deep functional drawers. Do have TV hookups in this top cabinet up here. And then we have a very large, very deep wardrobe space in here, all the way in here. Some would say that'd be enough for an extra bedroom if you have any small children. I would not be one to say that. I don't stick my kids in wardrobes often. Desperate times, desperate measures. Just kidding, everybody. Don't stick your kids in wardrobes. That is our Class C. Again, it is a 2013 Jayco Redhawk 31XL. If you folks have any questions, please give us a call at Sauder Motors. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a fantastic day.